is 5:15 this Saturday morning. We're taking a live look right now at Spring Point Light. See some people out there watching a beautiful sunrise. I mean, look at that over the water, Aaron.
I love that you can, I didn't know that. You could walk out, that's cool.
Yeah, I've done that before. It's a really pretty view and a nice walk.
Did you go on a walk yesterday? It was a nice day for once.
Oh my gosh, yes. Finally, after all this rain, it was such a nice breath of fresh air, and now I know that trend is going to be ending, but it was a good day to get outside and hang out in the sunshine.
Same, I agree. I agree. It was a good walk day. Today is going to be decent. Not anything in comparison to yesterday, but overall, it'll be decent, especially probably one of the better days considering what's coming up here shortly, where everything's going to start to get a whole lot more like last week and a lot less like yesterday. So we're going to go back into a cloudier, cooler, and rainier pattern here soon. For today, though, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies. We're going to have high temperatures along the coastline, right around 50, a little bit warmer as you head inland, right around 60 degrees. Now, we had a lot of sun yesterday, and we'll still get a little bit here and there today, but we're going to have, and already do have, some clouds outside to start off your morning. Most of these aren't all that thick, but as we progress through your day, we will have periods with rain also moving in this evening. Now, it's going to depend on where you live as to if you get this rain today, so it's not something I can expect everybody in the whole state to see as you head through your Saturday here. So let's talk about it. We are going to have some clouds outside. You'll still have a couple breaks here and there, so it's not going to be all a terribly miserable gray day, but it's not going to be crystal clear blue skies like we had yesterday either. As we head into your evening here, we're going to start to see some rain showers popping into your forecast if you live in southern or western Maine. So most of the state not going to really see any rain today, but if you live out this way, you might see a few showers popping into your forecast here as you head overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. Some of those at times could even be a little bit more moderate, but we're expecting the real rain to come a little bit later on. For Sunday morning, when you wake up, again, the best chance for some rain is going to be in southern and western Maine, but that doesn't anymore mean that everyone's out at this time. We could all see a little bit of rain, and it will generally feel a lot more rainy as we head through your day tomorrow. Sunday night into Monday morning is when we really have the best chance for heavy, significant rainfall coming through. We haven't seen much of the reds on the map or even the oranges this time of year so far. So we do have some heavier rain that's going to start to move through as we head through Monday. You can expect Monday morning to start off with the heaviest rain, and this will move off to the east as we progress through the day. So, Portland, Lewiston, Freiburg, you guys will be out of it. Out of the heaviest stuff by the time most of us are actually heading out of the door on Monday, and then we'll see continuing to clear out a little bit more as we get into the second half of your Monday. So we might get a little bit of sunshine trying to peek into your evening on Monday following all of the rain. Now, how much rain are we getting? A decent bit here this time. We're not just getting a few sprinkles. We're getting a couple inches, up to a few inches in some heavy areas where those showers and move through, the heavier ones. That's going to give you more rainfall. Kind of tapers off a little bit when you go to the eastern half of the state, but still a good amount of rain overall. Winds are also going to be part of this as well as we go through your next couple of days here. For tomorrow, wind gusts getting up to about 35 miles an hour here. And then as we go overnight with those showers rolling through and those storms, that's when you can see it getting a bit breezier here. So it will stay pretty windy for the next few days. Just be aware of that as it goes out and you go throughout your day here. Seas are 2 to 3 feet, gusts in the water up to 20 knots today, and there is a gale watch in effect as well that goes through about lunchtime on Monday as those showers are starting to wrap up. Not the most exciting. We had a nice day. Today, like I said, will still be pretty decent. It won't be quite as perfect as it was yesterday by any means of the imagination, but it still won't be bad. You'll still possibly see me getting outside at some point. I might take a long nap first, but
We were both feeling the need for a nap this morning for whatever reason.
I literally put a reminder in my phone that said, take nap.
That's good, that's good. It can be hard to do that sometimes.
Yeah, and we have some rainy weather coming up, so heads up.
Perfect, thank you, Aaron.